Hey, what's up? There's me. Me? Whatever it is. I want to let you know that I'm going to be doing some work on the iPad for lesson 9. And so I got that all ready for you. I'm not going to do all of the homework assignment, but I'm going to at least get you some help so that, one, I'm not taking all of your time during class to get this done. And then um, you're able to be productive in my absence. This is lesson 9. Oh, thanks, Enrique. Plot the points f of x from the table provided. So looking at the table that's here, negative 1, 12 means with our x value and our y value, we go to the left to negative 1, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put a dot. Let's change color. Let's go with a different color. Let's go 1, 6. So 1, 6 over here to 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot. That's for that one. Let's go with 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it kind of looks like there's a pattern, like a line that goes through all these points. So if you're going to take a guess where 4, that's the x value. If you're going to take a guess where 4 is, what height it has, this would be what height that's there. You need to take a look, along our graph right here and go down to the value, over to the 4, and then carry this pattern down, somewhere down here. The conversation around rate of change might also be a good one to have right now, that the rate of change can tell you, well, if I go from 1 to 2 with a slope triangle of down 3 over 1, then I can just keep going down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, and that'll help continue out this pattern. So our rate of change, down 3 and right 1, fits in the formula of what's our rise and run. And so we can write that as one fraction of negative 3, 1. It's okay to leave it as negative 3, 1. If you felt compelled from your 8th grade year, you could write this as just the value negative 3, and that'd be okay as well. Our y-intercept, in the table, there's no 0 here in the table, between negative 1 and 1. That's where it would happen, is when x is 0. But because there's no 0 in that column, you have to guesstimate. If you use the pattern from negative 1, 12 going down 3 over 1, or using the pattern from 1, 6 going left 1 up 3, you get somewhere over there. So I'll let you fill out the y-intercept, and I'll let you fill out the x-intercept. But that really does it. That tells you, based upon the graph, take a table, put it into the graph, and then use the information that you have. Oh, thanks, Miss Peabody. Okay. On the next page, create tables to represent the following functions and then graph the functions. So we have 4 graphs. I think actually A and B can all get graphed in the first 2 box, and C and D can get graphed in the next graph space. When it says create a table, so you have to pick your x values. So let's just do like negative 1, 2, 3. So if we go x, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and then we go with our y value. The y value is all of negative 1/2 x plus 4, negative 1/2 x plus 4. That means we can take our first number and we can put it into the formula. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 plus 4. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 becomes 1. 1 plus 4 makes 5. In other words, the table is telling us that negative 2, 5 needs to be plotted. Negative 2, 5. Plot that point. Do the same thing. I'll keep going. Negative 1/2. Let's go with a different color. Let's go this color. Negative 1/2 times negative 1 plus 4. Well, a negative makes positive. And when you multiply anything times 1, you get that thing. So we really have 1/2 plus 4, or 4 and 1/2. 4.5. So the point negative 1, 4.5 needs to be plotted. Continue with 0. Change color again. Let's go negative 1/2 times 0 plus 4. Because there's a 0 and I chose to write down a 0, that means that I get to find the y-intercept. Boom, Done. 0, 4. I'm going to finish my table out because that's the objective. Negative 1/2 times 1 plus 4. Anything times 1 is itself, and then add 4. So really we're looking at negative 1/2 plus 4.